Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to create a token on Polygon. The first thing you'll need to do is set up accounts. Starting with MetaMask, you'll need a MetaMask wallet, and this acts as your gateway to the Web3 world. So download the extension on your browser for MetaMask. The node provider, and we'll be using QuickNode. Create a QuickNode account to communicate with the Polygon blockchain. You'll need to create an endpoint, choosing the Polygon network and the Mumbai testnet. You're going to need to configure MetaMask for Polygon Mumbai testnet. Add a network in MetaMask and manually enter the Polygon Mumbai testnet details. This includes the RPC URL and the chain ID. You'll need to acquire testnet Matic tokens. Visit the Polygon Faucet website to get free Matic tokens for the testnet. These tokens will be used to deploy your token. You'll need to write and deploy the token smart contract. Open the Remix IDE to write your smart contract code. Create a new file, for example, mytoken.sol in the contracts folder. Then use the ERC20 standard from the Open Zeppelin library for your smart contract code. You can copy this code and modify it. Then compile the smart contract in Remix. You'll need to deploy the contract by selecting Injected Provider MetaMask as the environment. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask to deploy the smart contract. This will cost some Matic, so you need some funds for that. Verify deployment of Polygon Scan. Copy the deployed contract address and then open Mumbai Polygon Scan and paste the contract address to view the transaction details and verify the token creation. And then lastly, you'll need to import token into MetaMask. In MetaMask, go to Assets and Import Tokens. Paste the contract address and the token symbol should be automatically populated. Add the custom token to see it in your MetaMask wallet. And at this point, you would have created a token on Polygon.